Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So in this sleight of hand tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a really cool way to control a card from the middle to the top. I made this up myself while dabbling around with cards and I think you guys are going to like it. And also, before watching the video, I just want to say that if you just talk to the spectator and move your hands, this will look the best. So right now with the camera here, your eyes will be at my deck. So you can see the moves, but if you talk to the spectator and move your hands and laugh and smile, that's the best way in which you can do this control. So I think you guys are gonna like it, and let's get started. Alright guys, so here's how that move was done. So I'm gonna be using the blue icicle playing cards for this whole video. So let's get started. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna apply a move with this control called the Cardini change. So if you don't know how to do it, then I have a tutorial on that, and maybe I'll link that below in the description box so that you can check that out. Alright, so here's basically how you do that. So first of all, give the deck a shuffle, some cards like that, and then choose a card randomly. So let's say the card is this one over here, so the 7 of hearts. So now what you're going to do here is you're going to do the sneaky move, and while doing this move you're going to talk to the spectator, and that's the best way in which you can make this card control completely invisible. So here's basically how that's done. So first of all, the card is over here and you talk to the spectator and say that I'm not going to do something fancy here, I just want to get the card lost. And while saying that, you do the sneaky move. So you're gonna keep your index and pinky over here and you slowly pull the card like that. Okay, so keep your index on top, pinky on the bottom, and you pull the card using a pinky like that. And all this is going to happen while you're talking to the spectator, and you're gonna keep your hand on top so that they cannot see it. So now once you are here at the side of the deck, you're gonna just simply with all the fingers take the card and drag it on the bottom of the deck like that. Okay, so when done in a fast speed, it looks completely invisible, and while talking to the spectator, it makes it even more invisible. Alright, so now once the card is flipped over and on the bottom of the deck, you're gonna move on. So then you're gonna say that I'm just gonna take your card, which is not actually the card, and you just place it in the center, and don't flash the card because that's gonna ruin the whole effect. And you just slowly push the card in the deck, and you're gonna just let go of your hands just to convince the spectator that you're not going to do anything, and just say that I'm not doing anything guys, as you can see, completely clean. And then you're gonna do the second move, which is a turnover move from the bottom of the deck. So what you're going to do here is you're gonna say that alright, so all I have to do is snap my fingers and bring the card to the top of the deck, and while you're saying that, you just do the turnover move. So you're gonna get a pinky break above that card, and then you bring your hand over here, but I'm gonna remove it just so that you can see what I'm doing. So all I'm doing here is just curling my index finger in and extending that card and flipping it over right there. Alright, so once that's done, the card is flipped over but still on the bottom, and you're gonna control it with an overhand shuffle. So you're gonna say that just to satisfy you, I'm just gonna go ahead and give the deck a shuffle, and then you flip over the deck to yourself just so that they can't see that card, and you do this. So I'm gonna flip over just so that you can see what I'm doing. So you just do this and you keep shuffling up the cards like that, and once you did that, the card is on top, and then you can just snap your fingers, wave your hand, do anything you want, and reveal the card is on top. Or you can move on with your own magic trick that you're doing and the card is still on top. So guys, that's the move, and I hope you guys liked it. I'm really proud of this move, and I like this because it uses several moves, and I like controls with several moves because I like to play around with cards and play around with different ways of doing different things, and I hope you guys like that. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you learned something in this video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Goodbye.